Additional features in the Parallel Plus app on Android. First, tap the three-dot setting button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Under Select Versions, you'll see there's Word Study Settings. Word Study Settings helps you to navigate word studies. So if you want to turn King James Version or Greek on or off in the New Testament verse list, you can do that here. If you tap the three-dot setting button again, you'll see the next one down is Verse Study Settings. Verse Study Settings allows you to change a number of things relevant to your verse studies, such as color coding parts of speech. If you want your nouns to show in blue and your verbs to show in red, etc., then you can tap that button, or you can turn it off if you like. We also have different Greek phonetic systems available to you here in the app. If you tap the Settings button again, the next one down is Font Size. Font size allows you to change the common font size here at the top, which is the font size used throughout the app. Or you can change the font size for any of a number of languages. So if you want the character set of Hindi to appear larger or smaller, for instance, you can do that here. Tap the three-dot button again, and you'll see we also have settings for light and dark mode, and keeping the display on at all times. Those are a few additional settings in the Parallel Plus app on Android.